everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some, three there, probably can't see the bottom one, but these are from the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, and this is what an order I put in, so I thought maybe I'd show you what I purchased. Alright, I'll just change the camera around so you can see it. Alright, so let's go through the first box. Ooh, we have, this is a sneak peek of the new catalogue, which I will be doing a flip through of soon. Right, what else have I got in here? Aha! Just take that out. We have the diamond stickles. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, and then I also ordered, this is, I believe it's 4x6 stamp block. Didn't have that one, it was huge. Oh, this was the special for the month. Special for the month. This was the special when they did the Black Friday, where this one was from. So look at that. Baby, it's going outside. So yes, I'll probably use that in some of my Christmas photos this year. December's stamp of the month, which is called Happiness Never Grows Old. So this one's still available until the end of December. And if you're a VIP member and you do a order of over $80 or more, then you will get that for free. I brought two of these. I'll only get one out, but I brought my Legacy D-Ring albums. I needed some more albums, so I brought two of those. Alright, I'll just pause it while I get to the next box. Okay, so this one is from the Cyber Monday sale. We had some holographic paper. I'll just pull it out so you can see it a little better. So we've got, this one is Twinkle Toes. Oh, you can see me in there. In it too. And this one is called Sunbeam. So that'll be fun to create with. I might have to do a video using some of the specialty papers. I also got, they had a flip flap bundle. So we've got 2x2, 3x3 and 4x4. I really like flip flaps. I use them all the time, so they will come in handy. I have got, oh, this one is this is January's stamp of the month, and it says every thank you, so it's got thank yous everywhere. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I also brought another album. This one is, I'm pretty sure it's, what size is it? 6x6, I think it was. Yeah, it's a Story by Stacey one. So I've got plans to use this. Got a D-ring, and this is in Saddle Brown. Best time to buy albums is when they're on sale. And I got this one as an Everyday Life in the julep. So these ones aren't as wide as the D-rings, but alright, and that's all that I got from the Cyber Monday sale. I'll just pause it while I get out the next box. Alright, so this box is just my regular order, so I'll just show you what I brought. So let's get this out. I bought some liquid glass. The last time I brought liquid glass was about 2 years ago, so my liquid glass, you know, it's only just starting to run out now, so it's very good. I like it. I also purchased more 3D foam tape and thin 3D foam tape, and I also did the same thing with the foam dots, thin ones and normal thick ones. and I have got the black bursts, so that's what they look like. You can, you know, embellish on your pages with some of those. I also got the hexagon, stitch hexagon thin cuts, so I might have to do a page using these. I can get an idea of what I'm going to do with them. Okay, now I've got two paper packs here. This one is the wood grain paper pack. I'll just show you the pages. This one is available in our core catalogue. So yeah, so you do get quite a few paper in there for the wood grain. Alright, and the last paper pack that I've got in here is actually a sneak peek of the new paper. It is Happiness Lives Here. I'm not actually going to go through, there's one of the sheets. I'm not going to go through this because I'm going to do a separate video on this one, but it's out, this one is released in January. Alright, and it's called Happiness Lives Here. Alright, so that is everything that I've purchased recently. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.